It's me again, Alodia! So today is a beautiful day because today I am going to teach you one recipe I learned during this quarantine. I have been eating this even before the quarantine kasi ito, natikman ko siya sa shrimp market. I am going to teach you one of their best sellers na super favorite ko, the shrimp Mardi Gras. Shrimp Mardi Gras is, I think, a food that you'll really love. Kasi nga, it has a very unique combination. It has a combination of shrimps and pork meat. 'Di ba? Para siyang ulam na 2-in-1. And I think you should really try this. Para naman hindi pa ulit-ulit yung garlic shrimp, buttered shrimp, steamed shrimp, or sinigang na shrimp. I guarantee that you'll love this recipe. So for now, we'll have to prepare all the ingredients that we need. Let's start! So after gathering all the ingredients, the first step that we will be doing is that we are going to get a pan and let's put 2 to 3 cups of water in it. Here's the pan and here's the 2 to 3 cups of water. What we'll do with this is that we are going to boil the water. By the way, for your information, we are buying our longanisa from Cadatals here in Tuguegarao City. Why in Cadatals? Because sobrang sarap ng longanisa nila, as in. Their garlic longanisa is my super favorite. So we are going to use their longanisa. When the water starts boiling, we are going to get our longanisa. So what we're going to do with the longanisa is that we are going to get, I think, 5 to 7 pieces. We will put it in the boiling pan. In the boiling pan? So what we're going to do with the longanisa is that we will put it in the pan that we prepared a while ago. The reason behind this is that yung oil na gagamitin natin sa shrimp Mardi Gras, aside from the butter, is that yung oil na marerelease or manggagaling sa mismong longanisa. So while waiting for it na mag-produce ng oil, we are going to chop our garlic. After chopping your garlic, wait for a little while and then you can now check your pan if all it's left is the oil coming from the longanisa. If yes, you can now separate the longanisa from the pan. After separating the longanisa from your pan, chop your longanisa into very small bits, just like how a giniling looks like. After chopping your longanisa, you can now heat the pan with longanisa oil and then don't forget to put butter. After putting the butter, you can now fry the longanisa bits. Don't make it too crispy so that the longanisa will still be juicy. When you think that the longanisa is already okay, we're now going to put our shrimps into the pan with the longanisa bits. You can now add pepper if you like it to be a little bit spicy. And don't forget to add your salt, or you can also use magic syrup to add a little taste. And then, let's wait for it to be cooked. Our finished product. So presenting to you our shrimp Mardi Gras inspired by shrimp bucket. So I hope you like our recipe. Please try it at home because I guarantee you that you will like it. For more unique cooking recipes, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, this is me, Alodia!